Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Naver account for free using a temporary phone number without using your real one. Naver is a popular Korean portal and I'll guide you through the process. So let's get started without further ado. Firstly, go to the Naver sign up page on your browser and click the sign up button. Agree to all the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate boxes. After that, you need to type in your desired username and select a strong password to confirm it by typing it again. Now you have to enter your personal information, first and last name. You can use a fake name if you prefer, date of birth and gender. Now, choose Russia from the country list. We will use a temporary Russian phone number for verification. Go to Google and search for SMS man and then enter the first link. You can use a promo code or you can pay for a virtual Russian phone number. And when you're done, copy the number given to you. Paste the number into the Naver sign-up page, but delete the 7 from the beginning, and then click Send to receive a verification code. Return to the SMS Man website and click on Get Estimates, and copy the verification code sent to your temporary number. Paste the verification code into the field on the Naver sign-up page. Verification is complete, and then click the sign up button again to complete the process. And that's it. You now have a Naver account created for free using a temporary phone number. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.